welcome on the English as a Beauty YouTube channel. In the following series of 18 video lessons, I'm going to explain to you all the nuances of the verb tenses in English. I'll be explaining the differences between present simple and present continuous, between past simple and present perfect, between future simple and future perfect continuous, and many more. I will be going deep into the tiniest nuances of each and every verb tense. I'll provide you lots of examples of how you can use them in real-life situations. The goal of this video series is to A. Provide you a full explanation of how verb tenses work in English, and B. To fill you with confidence and to help you get rid of anxiety and fear while using those verb tenses in your everyday interaction. In this first video, I'm going to kick off with present simple. This is the most commonly used tense in the English language. I go, he works, we work, they do. These are all examples of present simple tense. We use this tense to describe A. General truths. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. Heart pumps blood. The sun rises in the east. B. To describe current habits. Mike gets up at 7 a.m. I usually go to work in the morning. C. We use present simple tense to tell jokes. For example, a German, an Englishman and a Frenchman walk in the desert and they see blah blah blah. D. We use present simple tense also in live sports commentary. For example, Suarez passes to Messi and Messi scores, for those who love football. E. We also use present simple to describe fixed events. For example, my bus leaves tomorrow at 9 in the morning. Or the movie starts at 5. F. We use present simple in newspaper headlines. Boris Johnson recovers from coronavirus. Donald Trump signs a trade agreement. G. Present simple helps us give directions to people. For example, you go straight along the street and then you take right at the first corner. The bank is up ahead. H. We also use present simple in proverbs and sayings like fortune favors the bold. There is also an emphatic present simple tense. This is the one used with additional do or does. For example, I do know how to play chess, or Steve does work hard. It is used to emphasize contrast. For example, my boss does not speak Japanese, but he does speak Chinese. And it is also used to emphasize a strong feeling or to stress your ability to do something. For example, we do love spending time with our kids, or I do enjoy watching football. It is also worth remembering certain words and phrases that are normally used with present simple. These are usually, always, occasionally, regularly, every now and then, sometimes, at times, rarely, and many more. So these were the main rules for using present simple tense. I encourage you to leave your comments below this video and I'll be happy to answer them as soon as possible. You are also welcome to subscribe to this channel by pressing a button in the right bottom corner of this video. And remember, English is a beauty.